Welcome to Multi Design, the continuation of our remodeling house that we are working on. In the last episode, we were able to create. Let me show you the 3D of what we are doing. So we create this and put on some railings and coves. So we work a little bit on the exterior aspects. So the aesthetic coming out little by little. So now what we want to do here, but before, in case of people that are joining us for the first time, this is the design that we have started from. So it was a two flat, it is just a twin flat before that mirror. So but it's a modeling, so we decided to change it, and instead of having two occupants, we have six occupants on the ground floor. When you go to first floor now, instead of having two occupants here, we can turn it to four. So when we go to the last floor now, instead of having two occupants, we turn it to three, so that we'll be able to accommodate more people. At the same time, you'll be able to be more marketable than the way it was before. So that is the idea of the client. So if you want to see the way we started, you can join us from the beginning, see the way we label from the beginning of the tutorial. Join the channel, and at the same time, if you are this first time, kindly subscribe. At the same time, always share and help us like, so that we will increase the visibility of the channel. Thanks. So let's move on to the order of the day. Today now, what we want to do, focus upon, is that we want to assign different colors from this. So we want to change some colors and make them look more authentic in some ways. The reason is not going to be taking too much. Then we get for the first time. Let me quickly do what I want to do here. So go to the west elevation. So I want to create a step model. So what you're doing, just to use you can use a staircase or anything, but just use casements whatsoever. So I say you can rename it. So I'm going to use extrusion to do that. I'm not going to use any references, just want to use to pick plain references on the tone. So this one will be done. So now we draw from this line. So I'm going to say line should be drawn from here. Okay. So like that, like that. So if you want to check the measure of it, just check the equivalent. So what we do is that you use so you do it this way, that you have the equivalency of distance, then you click on equal. So for that, everything be equal. So you can check the dimension, everything is going to be equally dimension. So this staircase now, you'll be able to use it to do whatever you want to do by moving it across the length and breadth of design. So I'm going to drag it to wherever I know that is necessary. So like this place now is necessary here to enter into the. So same thing, I'm going to mirror, so that we have its mirror with copy. You'll be able to have that. So the next is that you are going to put every area that you know that you need, this is going to be there. So copy now. So here, this is the entrance. So copy with constraint. You put one here. So another one, you can join that together, or whatever you just need that. Okay, it's okay for you. So you get. So you just like separate them, you can join them together, you can separate them, because the cost is another thing. When you are constructing the concrete, it's not that easy. So you do the same thing here. You know, this is the entrance and the upper floor. And then you mirror again. You shoot. So that is it there. When you get all this one right, just mirror to the other side. I think the step that is needed is only on the ground floor. Then you can check it on 3D, that which you have created, which is this particular one. So this one is not at the right place, but you can drag it. You see, it's supposed to be somewhere here. So you can drag this one and bring it here. Okay, the problem is that what I'm supposed to put there. So this one is actually in the position that's supposed to be. It's only this one. I change the position. So look in that line and drag. So when you go to the other side too, you do the same attempt for it. So this one, I didn't open some of the windows. So I'm going to do that. This is where the lacuna is. So let me quickly do that now. Go back to the level 1. So all the openings that I have here are not recognized here. So since this one, so I'm not recognizing that here. So I'm going to open it. So say open. Okay. Just and then delete. So now I want to bring it in here. I'll do that by whatever I have here. I should be able to repeat it on the other side. So I'm going to say mirror because that's what it's supposed to be. Fine. I think it's done. So now you go back to 3D and see. Now it's everything back to normal. So now you drag from here. You drag there. Can go back to so I'll be able to get it simple. Okay, I think this one needs to go here. And we drag this to this point. So I think with this one now quickly let's go to the aspect of beautification. So it does not matter, the idea is different. What matters is that what are the area that you focus on that you want to actually change. So I'm going to go to elevation, south elevation to be precise. So all the walls, you get what I'm saying now? All the walls of this side are going to be having the same color. See what I'm doing here now. So when you select now, you select this, you do the same thing here. Understand? You select this one as well. Do the same thing here. You do the same thing, and the same thing. Select the same thing. You are pressing Control down so that you'll be able to select whatsoever you are. So you just come here, you can duplicate it or select another one, but always duplicate because of the normal properties. So you'll be able to duplicate that and say changing the material of what I want to do. So I'm going to use different material entirely and say duplicate that as well. You can rename it if you feel like. So I'm going to say, so I'm going to use every appearance. I'm going to siding, and this is where I'm coming from. So I'm going to change material from here. So you can just select and look around. So I'm going to use this horizontal 8 inches. So what I'm using is that I'm going to remove, I don't want the image, I'm removing the image. So I want to use color. So I'm going to centralize my color on ash. It was very deep. Now we say okay. So I want it more darker. So nice. So I prefer it like this. So if you want reflectivity, transparency, all those things are there. Glossiness, you can increase it so that you'll be able to look like shiny. So you understand. So highlight metallic, you can use metallic. So that continue more bringing bright something. But if you don't like that, you can use to non-metallic so that you focus on what you are focusing. So when you see click finish, click OK. So when you go back to 3D, you see what we've done now. Can you see? So this aspect is changed. So when you have that big change, then you still need to work on something else. So this one is done now. So I just want you just like creating some colors that will make the whole thing look more realistic and more beautiful. So like look at this now. Sorry, I should not come to this. This is the staircase part that I created. So I have this one in place now. I want to change. I will change this wall and this wall. Where is it? So I'm going to change these two. Those are the one I'm going to change here. So I will change them, just say, and I will align them with this automatic. So if I have any other thing, so just like mixture of colors in the different area, like this one too, and this one. Understand? Those are the one I will change. So I just have to change them and have them in their position. So you can just see. So you do the same thing here too. Do the same thing. go to level 3 and select this, switch to the south. So select that and change it to 9. So that the bit is that it's not going to give you just a flat view. So you have some certain relief view on the elevation. So before you now start doing a lot of things that you want to put together. So now let's quickly say on the foundation, I want to create, let me say, sites. So go to sites, masking and sites, use topo surface. So select, then come to the absolute elevation, don't use, and then just say minus 1000, because that's the normal ground standard. So you can just say click finish. So you go to 3D and you see that that land is no more like plain, but now have something. So you can change the material for this. So when you come here now, let's just say you go to foundation and set the first initial camera. You say camera, sorry, go back to the foundation, then set the first camera, then you select the camera like this so that you will capture what you need to capture. I can imagine. So this is it. So change it now. You can now start checking shading. You see the shade aspect. So if you want to see the color, consistent color, this is it. So realistic, come to realistic and see. So anyone that you see that page shaded, so the whole thing is coming back to, you see the relief, the kind of something. So in the next one, we are going to focus now on the ceiling creation and put some light and creating some coping in this particular. So this is how far we go in this particular one. The next tutorial you see. So the beauty aspect is that this thing is developing and is growing consistently. Thanks for watching. God bless you.